On Long Island in New York this morning, disgraced former Congressman George Santos will be back in federal court for the first time in months ahead of his upcoming fraud trial.
Santos is set to appear in front of a federal judge for just the second hearing since he was expelled from Congress 8 months ago. Santos faces 23 federal charges of campaign finance fraud, although he has pleaded not guilty to all of them. Jury selection for that trial is set to begin September 9th.
Here with more on what to expect in today's pretrial hearing, NBC News legal analyst Angela Cenedella. All right, so it's been, almost a year since he became the 6th member of Congress ever to be expelled. Remind us sort of how we got here and what this trial is focused on.
So, Joe, this trial is going to be all about fraud. 23 counts of really just a panoply of fraud, all sorts of types, wire fraud, campaign fraud, defrauding the U.S. government. Now, what is unusual here is that the prosecution is alleging a wide number of schemes, not just one, that he allegedly stole a donor's credit card number, used it repeatedly without that donor's consent, and then allegedly transferred that money into his personal account, which he used for designer luxury items and to pay off his credit cards, for making up a nonprofit to lure in other donors, for also then making up a $500,000 campaign loan, which apparently didn't exist, in order to lure in other donors. Also, unemployment fraud. He allegedly lied on federal forms in order to obtain unemployment benefits during the pandemic. So really, all sorts of fraud he's on trial for. In May of 23, he was hit with 13 counts. In October, prosecutors just added 10 more. Note, they can do that. They can keep adding charges. So here we are now with 23 charges.
Angela, explain to us what we will see today and why, because like we just mentioned, jury selection doesn't start until next month. What happens today and what does it mean moving forward?
Right, so we get a great hint of what we'll see today based on the paperwork that both sides filed before the hearing today. So for the defense, they are arguing that in order to get a fair trial, this man is so famous, there has been so much publicity around him that precautions have to be put in place for jury selection. Now, we'll also hear, though, some arguments likely from the prosecution, where they want to include different types of evidence, and then the judge has to decide what is more probative, what is more prejudicial. They want to include evidence of all sorts of past lies, that he allegedly lied about his education, and also they want to bring in parts of his book. We also saw that in Hunter Biden's trial. Whenever you write a book and are in trial for fraud, the government really tries to use your own words against you.
As you point out, George Santos is famous, or some might say he is infamous. We know that his legal team actually wants jurors to fill out a perspective questionnaire about how they view him. Prosecutors don't like this idea. Is this unusual, and do you think the judge will go for it?
I think it is. Well, first of all, it's very unusual, and I don't think the judge will go for it. The prosecution is claiming this is just a delay tactic. Look, New York State, we've seen all sorts of famous faces, including the former president, Donald Trump. He didn't even get that treatment of having jurors pre-fill out surveys. All he got was the day of asking some questions, not even political affiliation. So it's more likely they will follow along that lines and not grant these. But look, both sides can bring up whatever requests they want, then it's up to the judge to decide.
Angela, there was talk at one point, or speculation, I guess I should say, about a potential plea deal. Could something like that happen, or do you see this going to trial?
So always that could happen, and we never really know because both sides could also be posturing. It is surprising to me there hasn't been a plea deal already, given that George Santos has admitted to a lot of the lies. Even if he hasn't admitted to the charges, he has admitted to the lies, which then would set the grounds for a plea deal, a guilty plea.
See what happens. All right, Angela Cenedella, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.